Unbreakable Lightning iPhone charger cable. Key features of using unbreakable Lightning iPhone charger cable. Safe and faster charging. Due to the special insulation layer, the lightning cable can avoid the risk of short. You can change your device with pleasure and peace of mind for the whole night. In addition, with an original Apple chip, this lightning cable supports ultra fast charging 2.4 ampere current, which meets your need for charging in a short time. To purchase it, please click on the link in description below. Apple MFi certified with Apple original C48 terminal and smart chip. This MFI certified lightning cable is compatible with the following devices: iPhone XS, XS Max, 10R, 10, 8 Plus, 8, 7 Plus, 7, 6S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6, 5S, 5C, 5, iPad, iPod, as well as the latest iOS system. To purchase it, please click on the link in description below. Unparalleled durability. This lightning cable using the bulletproof wire and the TPE material which is more resistant tearing. Additionally, this lightning cable withstands over 35,000 bends test to meet the repeated charging and data syncing in daily life. To purchase it, please click on the link in description below. Comfortable to use. Unbreakable cable lightning cable is made with the durable woven high gloss yarn exterior cloth which is not easy to fluff and ensure it's softer and lighter than other nylon cables, giving you a comfortable experience. Also, the connector heads are made with the aluminum alloy which reduce fraying from the repeated insert charging. To purchase it, please click on the link in description below. What you get: unbreakable lightning cable for iPhone, storage bag, user manual, 36-month warranty, and easy to reach customer service at a no additional cost. Unbreakable support team is always stand by you side to help. To purchase it, please click on the link in description.